As per the today's topic, we will see what is style master data and how we can generate the item based upon the style master. Whatever configuration we done yesterday, in that mostly the style master things we had checked in terms of what attribute should be created and how we can create it. Apart from that, what are the values as discussed regarding these products specifically. Apart from that, we will see how we can take these items further in terms of item master data and style master data registration. Now we will create this particular garment and this also, and we will see also one of the garment which is the two-piece garment which will be in terms of the set. In that, one of the dress and the leggings will be the part of it. So to proceed with this, there is a merchandising module in that you can go to style master data again for the all finished goods in terms of footwear, even the garments which are top wear, bottom wears. Apart from that, in case the production of some fabrics or like other things, for that we can create the style master data. Wherever required, the production has to be done for the company, and they are doing a production of such things according to their product line. So to do that, you have to go the to the merchandising tab, and then you can just open the style master data. Why this is required again? Because in item master data, which is standard item master data, in that are not able to we are not able to create properly item in terms of the fashion industry. For that, what we can do, we can register these products. Okay. So to register this product as a means bottom wear, what we can do, I can check, mention the style number, because for a particular garment, as a designing team is giving some specific numbers or names or something in garment industry. Sometimes they are just giving a normal name like men's bottom or dress or something else. But some are the designers are keeping the names for the garment uh, which are related to the design or styling things, or uh, for that purpose. So that can be we can say green text, something this design name we can give it here, and again we say that the item group, as and when we select this item group, the attributes are coming, which are coming from the configuration itself, which we have been done in the item master, sorry, attribute types. In that, what we had mentioned, like the number of pockets, this particular attribute is going to apply on this item group. In case this particular attribute is also required in another group of item, so that in that case also you can assign that item group here. Like on the men's shirts as well, number of pockets can be the okay. Okay. So this way also we can add if any of the attributes is required on any item group. As and when we do this, uh, we will be able to see that Now immediately on men's shirts, the number of pockets also is coming. In case we select another item group, according to that, the things are coming. So this is one of the setting we can handle it through the attribute type for the attributes. In any case, whatever the attribute value we have to add, that we can add it from the attributes itself. As mentioned yesterday, number of pockets you can see. Yesterday only we created this particular attribute here. Now in the attribute menu that is showing. So whatever the attributes are created, for that attribute types are created, for that one of the menu will get created, which can be a search directly in the menu, and for the HANA, and even in the SAP SQL version as well. So directly that can be found. Apart from that, again we can add the attribute type wise the values here. Now we can inactive the values in case any of the value is not required to us, that can be get inactivated, so that from this particular list, that particular attribute value will get disappeared. Next thing is that when we say that we want to create the this particular garment in, because our customer might be manufacturing of this or this product, they might be asked to us to configure the style master data. According to that, we have to think it about, is this belonging to what kind of attributes are required on the particular product, and what is the item group of that particular products. What, so according to that, you will be decide what attributes should get applied on which item group. Next is that there is one of the field called style code. In uh, some of the customers are providing their own style number configurations, which is the combination of some the information, like there, how we can do this. As we are registering this particular product, now we will select the men's bottom. This was the our size template which we created yesterday. Yeah, so that only we selected this one. Okay, so now that size template only we selected here. Next is that there is some planning things. We'll come to the later actually here. It's a will I will explain later on. But the prima facie, initially what we have to register this product. For that, what is required, we will do that. Next is that whenever the there can be a different there can be a different season for the companies. Okay, some of the companies are working for the winter season, and some are because the fashion industry has been divided into two season basically. So in that, winter season can be there, summer season can be there, so that can be defined exactly this product is belonging to which season. Next to that, exactly for which season, which year, because every year there is one season, winter season is coming. Based upon that, for which season of the year they are defining, doing the sampling here, or like creating a design. Now, next is that we can assign the brand. We can assign the brand, and you can see here, as I am selecting something, there is the shortcode also gets selected. This short code, or this is the short name which is coming from the attribute only. In attributes, we can give the short names. As you can see here, I am selecting a brand attribute, and for each brand there is one short name has been given. Okay, why this is required? On these short names, we are going to generate this code. Now I am going forward. I am selecting here. This is particularly the brand. This is this segment. There can be a, this is the men's, adults, separate, and separate it is where the two-piece garment or one-piece garment is there. Based upon that, we can set like again, this is the company specific attribute. If they are having it, we can add it. They don't have it, this is not required again. But there is a possibility there can we can set it like this kind of attribute, and we can suggest like these attributes. Then what is the subcategory of product that we can select it? These are all attribute values, and these short names are coming from there itself. Based upon that, there can be a how many number of pieces. Two-piece garment can have two numbers. Three-piece garment can be have three numbers. If right now we are creating one-piece garment, so that is why one of the attribute we selected. So definitely this categorize your style in a different manner. In each and every uh, product can have a similar attribute or like some of the different attributes. There are now limited attributes has been taken, but there can be a different attributes according to that different values will be there. I am selecting here. There are four pockets over there. There is a no short code. Next is that which color is this one? Okay, this all attributes we have been defined and along with the value.